with Tesla rolling out driverless car ride testing in Texas this week, and Nvidia, of course, the dominant player in AI, investors are now asking me which one is the better stock to buy if I want to take advantage of the growing effectiveness of artificial intelligence. So let's start with comparing these two on revenue. So going all the way back to 2015, Nvidia and Tesla have demonstrated phenomenal growth over those years. Tesla has grown its revenue from $4 billion in 2015 all the way up to $95.7 billion in the most recent trailing 12-month period. That's good for a compounded annual growth rate of 41%. However, Tesla's revenues have been flat or declining since 2023. $96.8 billion in 2023, $97.7 billion in 2024, and down to $95.7 billion in the most recent trailing 12-month period. And from all the reports we've been getting about Tesla's car sales so far in 2025, it looks like 2025 will be another down year for Tesla's revenue. Nvidia has grown its revenue from around $4 billion in 2015 all the way up to $149 billion in the most recent trailing 12-month period, and most of Nvidia's growth happening since 2022. So while Tesla is struggling in recent years, Nvidia is thriving. Now, I expect that Nvidia's revenue growth will continue thriving for the next 3 years at the very least. Meanwhile, I expect Tesla's revenue will struggle for the next few years at the very least. And compared to critically important financial metrics, let's look at valuation. And based on what I shared with you so far, you would think that Nvidia stock would trade at a more expensive valuation, wouldn't you? Nvidia is doing better than Tesla in nearly every metric that's important to investors. And so you would imagine, okay, a better business should be trading at a more expensive valuation. But that's not the case here because Tesla is a unicorn in the way that the valuation trades at, right? Tesla trades at a forward price to earnings of 153. 153. That's about at least 10 times more expensive than any car company and about 5 times more expensive than Nvidia and any other AI company.
Click the link below to watch the full video.